There is an ever-increasing importance for lockdown systems that fully deliver and can be trusted 24/7 across the education sector. Audiebant have developed and deployed effective lockdown and communication audio systems and visual software, which are tailored to meet the needs of individual educational settings. Audiebant lockdown systems provide instructions to students and staff, directing them to find a safe, secure location or exit strategy dependent on the type of emergency, therefore reducing or eliminating potential casualties and managing incidents. The system can send different messages to separate locations dependent on the specific emergency and requirement. We also supply software which enables your messages to be displayed on an unlimited number of computers and smartboards. Our AudiSafe mobile app allows students and staff to receive emergency notifications on their mobile phones. Emergency messages and pre-recorded content can be changed or updated easily using a mobile phone or computer, offering users the ability to create, add and change messages whenever and from wherever on site that they wish. In addition, the system can be used as a public address system, play music, make class change announcements, and can also stream any content you choose. All areas can be covered both internally and externally, including playing fields and car parks. Pre-recorded announcements are tailored to your specific requirements, from simple behaviour reminders to general safeguarding messages, which can run at set intervals throughout the day or be pushed out when required at the click of a button. The system is entirely scalable, based on the size of your premises, risk factors and available budget. We develop the most effective and cohesive solution to meet your needs within your parameters. The process is simple. We supply a turnkey solution that includes installation, content creation, and full maintenance of the system.
St Bede's High School needed a comprehensive lockdown, communication and bell system that would extend to both indoor and outdoor areas. The system had to be capable of delivering distinct messages to different zones within the school.
We'll primarily use the system as a clear distinction between an alarm for an evacuation and an alarm for an evacuation, but it will also be useful to send widespread messages through to staff and pupils throughout the day. And the bell facility is something that we'll look to utilise because it's something that will be really useful to us. It first came about when we were looking at updating our emergency plan, and it was a system that we needed to address across 4 buildings all at once. It's a system that will be needed in the majority of schools, public buildings and council buildings across the country. We were signposted to the company through the local authority, and once we started looking into Audiebant, the system was exactly what we needed. I think the best way to sum up the whole process is through the one word of simplicity. Straight all the way through from consultancy to the installation, there was no disruption to education. Everything was done during term time, and we were updated with steps throughout the process of what was going on and who was going to be in school with fully DBS cleared engineers. We were more than happy with the training that we received from Audiebant, as well as the ongoing support that we're still receiving. We know that they're just a phone call or an email away. We found the system very easy to use. It's very user friendly. There's helpful hints and tips all over the website, and I definitely recommend it to any school or public building who are looking for this sort of system.
Okay, so what we've done, selected D block here, messages in every 15 seconds, hit play.
This is a lockdown test message. Please don't take any action. Thank you. The fire alarm test has now been completed. Can all staff and students please return to the buildings and continue with their day-to-day activities? Thank you.
The school has a zero-tolerance policy in relation to acts of bullying, harassment, or discrimination of any kind.
For further information, call us on 01772 674 399 or email info@audiebant.co.uk. Audiebant technology is already supporting hundreds of clients from both the private and public sector.